In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to verify X or to your account. Let's get started. First, launch your X app and make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll be directed to the home page. Now click on the profile icon given at the top left. Navigate to the option Settings and Privacy. Click on the option Security and Account Access. Navigate to the option Security. Here, you'll see an option for ID verification. But don't tap it just yet. To verify your account, you'll first need to subscribe to X Premium. For that, head back. Navigate to the main page of settings. Click on the option Premium. Now choose a plan that works for you. Basic, Premium or Premium Plus. Once Premium is activated, head back to Security, tap ID verification and follow the steps to upload your government issue ID. You may also need to take a selfie to match your ID. This confirms your age and identity. Once your documents are verified, your X account will be fully verified and you'll be able to view age-restricted content without any issues. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.